today we're looking at one of the products that everybody is talking about. And what I understand, like everybody's doing it too. They're all trying it.
Yeah, everybody is. And I'm glad we did too.
Yeah, we were a little late to get on the bandwagon, but...
Were we?
Yeah, I kind of think we were.
I think we live under a rock. But.
There was one brand that was out there early with one of the YouTuber channels that we watch, and they were doing it. Yeah. But this is amazing because it's in gummy form, not like coffee form, which is good too. But these gummies,
yeah,
delicious.
Yeah, it's so easy. They're so easy to eat, and they're very yummy. They're very yummy.
Right. Mushrooms. Who'd have thunk it though, right? I mean... We see mushrooms. We've seen mushrooms all our lives. We use them in our food. We use them when we cook all the time. But who would have thunk that they were so good for you? Right. And lion's mane and turkey tail. And, I mean, you hear those things and you kind of go, what? But they all have a purpose, right? I mean, they're all supposed to help in one way, shape, or form. And you know what? I think a lot of things in nature we're going to find out, and we already are, a lot of things in nature are going to help us in ways that we didn't even realize.
Right.
Which is amazing.
Obviously not man-made stuff.
Right. Yeah. There's stuff in nature, I think, that's going to cure a lot of the problems that we have now, and they just need to start digging and looking at it a little bit closer.
Although, I think our boat solves some problems, too.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not made in nature, you know.
No, I know. It's man-made. That's why I said, although our boat does solve some problems. Anyway.
Stress and...
Yes.
I mean, this does the same
stress
thing.
Reliever.
This does the same thing, apparently, but... in a different way. Now, we've been doing this for about 2 weeks now. We've been taking 2 of these gummies in the morning. And just so that we're doing our, we try it before you do kind of thing. How do you feel about them?
Oh, I feel like I have a little more focus, a little more mental clarity, which, when you think about mushrooms,
right?
You're not really thinking about mental clarity there.
No.
But, and the fact that they're yummy.
Yeah. No, that does help, doesn't it? I think that for me, I've always had whenever they talk about these, I always think about the gut digestive sort of thing that it might help with. Again, 2 weeks in, and I don't feel like that cup of coffee is messing with me the way it used to. I don't feel like I've got that feeling of I don't want to eat anything for the next 6 hours. I just feel a little bit better at the beginning of the day. And for me, that's a big deal. I mean, our days start early and end late, so to feel a little bit better.
Big deal.
Yeah, absolutely. So at this point, would you recommend the mushroom gummies?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Excellent.
Yes.
I think you should try them out too.
I think so.